Hello everyone. Today I am at LMT Tools India where they are planning to showcase their innovative products at IMTEX 2025. They are the renowned company for the cutting tool industry. So now let's hear something from their managing director, Mr. Ramakant Reddy, about their product and their participation in IMTEX 2025.
At LMT Tools, we are passionate about precision. This year, we are bringing our best-in-class precision tools. Gear cutting tools that redefines precision, complete range of milling tools for the superior performance, high efficiency drill, stabs and reamers, our innovative automatic adjustable tools for crank and cam bore machining, and one of its a kind thread rolling system designed to super accelerate your operations. Don't miss to witness the thread rolling system performing live in the IMTEX.